Good morning, students. Continuing with our chapter number 4, the digestive system. In the last class, we have studied about the digestion starts from the mouth. Then we studied the parts pharynx and esophagus. Now coming to the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular bag on the left side of the abdomen. Its size ranges from a large sausage. When our stomach is empty, its size is like a large sausage, and in the condition the stomach is filled, its size can range to the size of a melon. Its upper end is attached to the esophagus and the lower end of it opens in the small intestine. The functions of the stomach are: it churns food and mixes with the digestive juices. It adds the hydrochloric acid and the gastric juice to the churned food. Small intestine. It is a highly coiled tube about 6 meters in length and 2.5 meters wide. It lies in the abdomen. It has got 3 parts. The first part or the anterior part is called the duodenum. The middle part of it is called jejunum, and the posterior part is ileum. The inner walls of small intestine has millions of finger-like projections called villi. These are supplied with the blood vessels and capillary. This is a diagram of a single villi. You can see the blood vessels and the capillaries in it. The function of small intestine is absorption of nutrients from the digested food. The villi of small intestine increases the surface area for maximum absorption of the digested food. Large intestine. It is 1.5 meters long tube. It extends from the ileum of the small intestine to the anus. It has 4 parts: caecum or blind pouch into which ileum of the small intestine opens. The caecum leads to the colon. The colon leads to a small tube called rectum. At the end of rectum is a small opening called anus. The anus has 2 sphincters. The pressure of the faces on sphincters causes the urge to defecate. Functions of the large intestine. It absorbs water from the undigested food and it throws the solid waste from the body through the anus. So, to summarize the digestion of the food or the path of food in alimentary canal, the digestion starts from our mouth. The carbohydrate is digested in the mouth. Then that food is passed on to the pharynx, from pharynx to esophagus. In pharynx and esophagus, no digestion takes place. From esophagus, the food is passed to the stomach. In the stomach, the proteins are digested. Then the food is sent to small intestine. Here the complete digestion of the food takes place. The remaining proteins, carbohydrate and all the fat is digested in the small intestine. From here, the digested food is sent to the large intestine. Here the water absorption takes place from all the undigested food, and the undigested food is thrown out from the body or removed from the body through the anus. The glands associated with the digestive system. The 3 glands associated with the digestive system are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. All of them are present outside the alimentary canal. Along with these, numerous gastric glands are present, which are present inside on the wall of the alimentary canal. There are 3 salivary glands present in the mouth cavity. They are called as sublingual gland, the parotid gland, and the submandibular gland. They secrete saliva, which helps in moistening of the ingested food, the food which we take in. The saliva also helps in the digestion of carbohydrates. This is the reason when we chew a small piece of bread for some time, it becomes sweet in taste. Liver is the largest gland found in the human body. It is situated on the right side of the abdominal cavity. The color of liver is reddish brown. It secretes a liquid, a greenish yellow colored liquid, which is called bile juice. The bile juice helps to break down the large fat molecules into small fat droplets to make the digestion of fat easier. It also regulates the blood sugar level. The liver regulates the blood sugar level as well as it controls the storage of carbohydrates. Gallbladder. It is a pear-shaped organ situated under the liver. It stores the bile juice which is secreted by the liver till it is needed for the digestion. It is connected to the liver and the duodenum of the small intestine by a bile duct. Pancreas. It is the second largest whitish colored digestive gland. It is situated behind the stomach. It secretes the pancreatic juice which contains enzymes for the digestion. It contains amylase, which is a starch digesting enzyme, that is carbohydrate. Trypsin, which digests the protein, it is a protein digesting enzyme. And lipase, which is a fat digesting enzyme. Gastric glands. These are numerous in numbers and found inside on the wall of the stomach. It secretes gastric juice, which contains hydrochloric acid and 2 enzymes, pepsin and renin. Hydrochloric acid kills the germs which are present in the food, and the enzymes pepsin, renin help in the digestion of protein. Thank you.